Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new track at the National Stadium. And it was recently handed over by Minister Grange to Independence Park. Independence Park is the entity that manages the entire National Stadium facility. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And also, guys, let us know what you think about the new track. You can see it is in the colors of the Jamaican flag. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. The newly resurfaced running track at the National Stadium in Kingston was dedicated and officially handed over to Independence Park Limited on Sunday, March 23rd. The track, now adorned in Jamaica's national colors of black, green, and gold, replaces the blue surface that was installed in 2011. The resurfacing project, carried out at a cost of US $350,000, was undertaken due to deterioration and safety concerns. This year's Issa Grace Kennedy's Boys and Girls Athletics Championship, scheduled for March 25th to 29th, will be the first event to take place on the newly resurfaced track. Speaking during the handover ceremony, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange, shared a sense of deja vu and expressed immense pride in leading the dedication of both the blue track 14 years ago and the newly resurfaced track. I was privileged then and I'm privileged today to lead the teams that worked hard in various capacities to improve and provide this important facility to our athletes, Minister Grange said. She acknowledged that there was a race against time to complete the track ahead of Boys and Girls Championships beginning March 25th and the Grand Slam track competition slated for April 4th to 6th, noting that the sole hindrance would have been the weather. But we in this country, Jamaica, know what it is like to run and win. The only challenge we would have had that we had absolutely no control over was the rain. But I believe in prayer, Ms. Grange said, adding that she gave instructions to keep the stadium lights on so work could be done at nights. She advised that the process to accredit and certify the new track has begun, with the arrival of an independent inspector from World Athletics expected soon. The black, green, and gold, a bold step, is a vast improvement on what was there before. The contractors assured me that the issues with the blue track that necessitated the resurfacing have now been corrected, Ms. Grange indicated. She pointed out that the new colors represent a statement of national pride and celebration of Jamaica's outstanding sports tradition. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.